Lots of black.
Go for it, babes.
Hi everybody. Today we are doing another raffle, so let's get started. Here I have my lovely assistant daddy here, Tony.
Thank you, everyone. Hi, everyone.
So we are going to get started. So my daddy's gonna pick a name.
Okay, you ready? All right. Thank you. And what's this week's prize?
This week's prize is $400.
Oh, nice. Congratulations. Oh, sorry. Do apologize for that. Let's get started. Here we go. All right, let's shuffle. Do you want to pick or should I pick? Okay. Close my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing in the hands. Close my eyes. And here we go. Okay.
Or is that two?
Yep.
Okay.
So again, we're here for our 7th out of 8 electronics giveaways, all sponsored by Evolution Installs. I want to thank every single one of you for joining us past 7 weeks. And there's one more week to follow next weekend, so join us. For today, our 7th week, we have a $400 cash prize. And, well, good luck. Let's figure out, let's see who it is.
Lindsay Road.
Oh, you're so good. All right. So, congratulations to James Pollick from LaGrange, Illinois. Congratulations, James. I don't know if you can see that. There we go.
Bye everybody. I hope you enjoy our another 7-week raffle. So see you later. Bye. See you in another day. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.